Nestled in the northeastern corner of Cuba lies a place of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity, Alejandro de Humboldt National Park. This park is not just a sanctuary for nature lovers, but also a living museum of the Earth's natural history. Named after the renowned German scientist and explorer Alexander von Humboldt, the park is a true testament to the wonders of the natural world. Humboldt's explorations and studies have left an indelible mark on the scientific community, and this park stands as a tribute to his legacy. Covering over 700 square kilometers, it is the largest and most pristine protected area in the Caribbean islands. The park's vast expanse offers a refuge for countless species, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The park encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from coastal mangroves and coral reefs to cloud forests and mountain grasslands. Each of these ecosystems plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance and supporting the rich biodiversity of the region. This incredible variety of habitats supports an astonishing array of plant and animal life, making it one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the park is teeming with life, each species contributing to the intricate web of biodiversity. In this essay, we will delve into the wonders of Alejandro de Humboldt National Park, exploring its significance, its unique flora and fauna, and the challenges it faces in a changing world. We will also discuss the efforts being made to preserve this natural treasure for future generations, ensuring that its beauty and biodiversity remain intact for years to come. In 1999, Alejandro de Humboldt National Park was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in recognition of its outstanding universal value. This park, located in the eastern part of Cuba, is one of the most biologically diverse tropical island sites on the planet. The park's exceptional biodiversity, coupled with its geological significance and evolutionary history, make it a place of global importance. It is home to a wide array of ecosystems, from rainforests to mangroves, each teeming with life. The park's isolation and rugged terrain have allowed many ancient species to survive, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This isolation has created a unique environment where species have evolved independently over millennia. These endemic species, found only within the park's boundaries, are a testament to the park's role as a living laboratory of evolution. From tiny insects to brightly colored birds, and even the unique Cuban snail, the park is a haven for unique and fascinating creatures. The diversity of life here is astonishing, with many species still being discovered and studied by scientists. The park's rich biodiversity is not only a source of wonder, but also a vital resource for scientific research and conservation efforts. Researchers from around the world come to study its unique flora and fauna, contributing to our understanding of biodiversity and the importance of preserving such irreplaceable natural treasures. Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is a botanist's paradise. The park is home to an estimated 3,000 plant species, nearly half of which are endemic to Cuba. The park's diverse ecosystems support a wide variety of plant life, from towering trees to delicate orchids. One of the most striking features of the park's flora is the abundance of ferns. Over 600 species of ferns thrive in the park's humid forests, creating a lush and verdant understory. The park is also home to a variety of orchids, including some of the rarest and most beautiful in the world. These delicate flowers, with their intricate shapes and vibrant colors, are a testament to the beauty and diversity of the park's plant life. The animal life of Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is just as impressive as its flora. This park, located in Cuba, is a sanctuary for a myriad of species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of biodiversity. The park is home to a wide variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and invertebrates. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of this unique environment. One of the park's most iconic inhabitants is the Cuban solenodon, a venomous, shrew-like mammal found only in Cuba. This elusive creature is rarely seen during the day, as it prefers the cover of night to forage for food. This nocturnal creature is a living fossil, with ancestors dating back millions of years. Its unique evolutionary history makes it a subject of great interest for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The park is also home to a variety of endemic birds, including the Cuban tody, the Cuban trogon, and the Cuban Amazon. These birds are not only beautiful to look at, but also play vital roles in the ecosystem, such as pollination and seed dispersal. These colorful and melodic birds add to the sensory richness of the park's forests. Their songs and calls create a symphony of sounds that enhance the natural beauty of the park. The park's rivers and streams are home to a variety of fish, amphibians, and reptiles. These waterways are lifelines for many species, providing essential resources such as food and habitat, including several endemic species of frogs and lizards. These amphibians and reptiles are adapted to the unique conditions of the park, making them fascinating subjects for study and observation. The diversity of life in Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts in preserving such irreplaceable natural treasures. Section 5. A Tapestry of Landscapes. Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each with its own unique beauty and ecological significance. The park's coastline is characterized by mangrove forests, which provide important habitat for a variety of marine and terrestrial species. Inland, the terrain rises sharply, creating a dramatic landscape of mountains, valleys, and waterfalls. The park's mountains are cloaked in cloud forests, which are perpetually shrouded in mist and fog. These forests are home to a unique assemblage of plants and animals adapted to the cool, humid conditions. The park's rivers and streams carve their way through the landscape, creating a network of waterways that support a diverse array of aquatic life. Section 6. Safeguarding a natural treasure. Recognizing the importance of preserving this natural treasure, the Cuban government has implemented a number of conservation measures within Alejandro de Humboldt National Park. The park is strictly protected, and access is carefully regulated to minimize human impact. Scientific research and monitoring programs are ongoing to better understand and protect the park's ecosystems. Conservation efforts also focus on educating local communities about the importance of biodiversity and sustainable practices. By involving local people in conservation efforts, the park aims to create a sense of shared responsibility for this natural heritage. Section 7. The Challenges of Conservation. Despite these efforts, Alejandro de Humboldt National Park faces a number of challenges. Climate change is a growing threat, as rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns could have significant impacts on the park's ecosystems. Invasive species, introduced accidentally or intentionally, also pose a threat to the park's native flora and fauna. Furthermore, illegal logging and mining activities, though strictly prohibited, still occur in some areas, putting pressure on the park's resources. Addressing these challenges requires ongoing commitment and collaboration between government agencies, conservation organizations, and local communities. Section 8. A call to action. The preservation of Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is not just the responsibility of the Cuban government, but a global imperative. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the park belongs to all of humanity, and its loss would be an immeasurable tragedy. We must all do our part to support conservation efforts, whether by supporting conservation organizations, making responsible travel choices, or simply spreading awareness about the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. By working together, we can ensure that this natural treasure continues to inspire and amaze generations to come. Section 9. A must-visit destination. For nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, Alejandro de Humboldt National Park is a must-visit destination. The park offers a unique opportunity to experience the raw beauty and biodiversity of one of the Caribbean's last remaining wilderness areas. Hiking trails wind their way through the park's diverse landscapes, offering breathtaking views and encounters with endemic wildlife. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or simply looking for a peaceful escape into nature, Alejandro de Humboldt National Park has something to offer everyone. A visit to this extraordinary place is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our natural world.